Get our viewers some more breaking updates coming in. Sources have informed us that a joint team of the Enforcement Directorate and the CBI will be in Belgium when Mehul Choksi bail hearing will be heard. Senior news editor Bhavtosh Singh on the broadcast with us with the details. Bhavtosh, so CBI and ED officials are going to be in Belgium when Mehul Choksi's bail hearing will be heard. When is that expected? We understand due to the law in Belgium, at the moment he can't apply for bail.
Yes, Pratibha. In fact, the team from Enforcement Directorate as well as from CBI will be present in the court in Antwerp when the hearing will take place. His counsel have already said that they will try for a bail, which in Belgium is called freedom of application for freedom, and they will cite the health grounds. One of the reasons is health ground, and they will also say that it was because of the assaults that happened on him in 2021 that has in fact led to his health conditions getting deteriorated. What ED and CBI will tell the court is that they had served several summons to him and that there is a non-bailable warrant pending against him. Importantly, they will say that while in March 2023, the Interpol had lowered his red notice, in fact withdrawn it, there is enough material evidence against him and also documentary evidence against him that he should be extradited, but it would be a lengthy process. As far as his nephew is concerned, Nirav Modi, he still is in the jail in London. The total restitution of property as far as this banking fraud case is concerned is around 4,000 crore rupees. But more importantly, their wealth is spread across several countries, at least in 18 countries. And Indian agencies are trying to locate them, and wherever they manage to locate them, they tend to attach them and also try to freeze them. His ED's application to, in fact, declare him as a fugitive is pending in Mumbai court. So one has to wait and see what will happen in the next 5 days when his application for freedom will come up in a Antwerp court.
Okay, all right. It took a lot of efforts from the authorities to ensure that he was arrested in Belgium. Bhavtosh, what are the details of the circumstances around his arrest? In fact, we have more breaking updates coming in. The Belgium government's first reaction has come in on the arrest. The fugitive Mehul Choksi has been arrested in Belgium, and the Federal Public Service of Justice has reacted to the same. And details have been revealed. Mehul Choksi was arrested on Saturday, that is on the 12th of April. He is being detained in anticipation of further judicial proceedings. The access to the legal counsel has been assured to him. This is a statement that has been issued. Bhavtosh, what are the details?
Well, as far as the confirmation to the arrest is concerned, it has been confirmed by the Belgian Federal Public Service of Justice. They have, in fact, given a statement to a wire agency saying that Mehul Choksi was arrested on Saturday. That's on April 12th, 2025. What they have said, I will just quote it from that. He is being detained in anticipation of further judicial proceedings. Access to his legal counsel has been assured, and the Belgian Federal Public Service of Justice can confirm that the Indian authorities have introduced an extradition request for Choksi. In fact, this is on the lines of what Indian government has said, that they have in fact requested that he should be arrested, and post that they have said that his extradition proceedings will continue. It's likely that on the next hearing he might be released on bail, primarily on the grounds that his health condition is not in fact in the good shape, and post that India will try its best to extradite him. As far as Mehul Choksi is concerned, his wife is a Belgian national. Their entire family, most of them are from Belgium, and they will in fact use the best of lawyers. But India has said that they have very strong case. They have filed multiple charge sheets in this case. They have served multiple summons to them, and the manner in which he fled, Pratibha, from India, that's from Mumbai, on 1st of January 2018, then to US. In US, he changed multiple cities, and from there on June 2018, he went to Antigua, and then he was traced there, and from Antigua, he was in fact found in Dominica Republic. From Dominica Republic, he went back to Antigua, and then earlier this year, he fled. He in fact left from Antigua, came to Belgium, and from Belgium, he was trying to go to Switzerland when Indian authorities, in fact, asked Belgian authorities to detain him, and he was placed under arrest. And that matter of his freedom application will come up in next 4 or 5 days.
Okay.